quality remains as fine as ever. We have garage door solutions of all kinds. Not only do we have traditional doors, our timber look or custom design doors ensure your house will make a style statement. For a free measure and quote and helpful advice, give Gliderroll a call, 1300 799 177, or go to gliderroll.com.au.
Now, something pretty exciting is just around the corner, David, and I'm not talking about Christmas.
No,
They're going to hit.
Singapore Airlines is going to be flying the new Airbus A350 out of Adelaide. Lots to talk about this beautiful plane, and you can check out the comfort for yourself in Burnside Village this week. Now, the display is amazing. You can try out business and economy seats, including the lie flat beds. This is the next best thing to actually being in the air and heading to your next holiday destination. Well, you could.
Have you ever seen this
Take
before?
it one step closer to being in the air, because there's a chance there to win 2 economy tickets to Singapore. How about that? Just check the Burnside Village website for times. Singapore Airlines, Adelaide's longest serving international airline.
Where does real milk come from? The Florio Milk Company. Okay.
Oh my god!
But it's nice to know that the Florio Milk Company won't send your milk off to be
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if